Welcome to Home Cooking and Home Remedies, the channel where ancient wisdom meets modern science, and where your kitchen becomes your medicine cabinet. In today's episode, we're talking about two of nature's most healing gifts, garlic and honey. Both are simple, everyday ingredients that most of us already have at home. Yet, when you take them together, especially at night, they can bring remarkable changes to your health in just 1 week. For centuries, people in many cultures have used garlic and honey to treat colds, improve digestion, and strengthen the heart. But recently, science has started catching up, confirming what our ancestors already knew. So today, we'll explore what happens in your body when you take garlic and honey at night, the real scientific reasons behind the benefits, how to prepare it correctly, what changes you may notice in 7 days, and a few safety tips to keep in mind. Get comfortable. Take a deep breath, and let's begin this sweet and spicy journey toward better health. The power of garlic. Garlic, Allium sativum, is one of the most powerful natural medicines known to humankind. When you crush or chop raw garlic, it releases a compound called allicin. Allicin is what gives garlic its strong smell, but it's also what gives it its healing magic. Modern research shows that garlic helps in several ways. It boosts immunity. Garlic stimulates your white blood cells, your body's soldiers that fight viruses and bacteria. In one study, people who took garlic daily had over 60% fewer colds than others. It protects the heart. Garlic can lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and prevent the arteries from hardening. Doctors even compare aged garlic extract to mild blood pressure medicines. It fights germs. Garlic kills bacteria, fungi, and even viruses. During World War II, soldiers used garlic paste on wounds to prevent infection. It was called the Russian penicillin. It helps metabolism. Garlic supports healthy blood sugar and may slightly boost fat burning, and it supports gut health. Garlic feeds good bacteria in your intestines, helping digestion and reducing bloating. Every small clove of garlic contains over 400 active compounds that protect, cleanse, and balance your body. It's spicy, yes, but it's also nature's strongest natural antibiotic, all in one tiny bulb. The magic of honey. Now let's talk about honey, the golden liquid made by bees that has been treasured for healing for thousands of years. Honey is more than sugar. Raw honey contains enzymes, antioxidants, minerals, and natural antibacterial compounds. It gently supports every system in your body. Here's what honey does. It calms inflammation and helps fight infections, both bacterial and viral. It soothes coughs and sore throats. Clinical studies have shown that honey works better than many cough syrups. It coats the throat and helps you sleep peacefully. It supports digestion. Honey feeds the good bacteria in your gut, helping digestion and reducing acidity. It helps you sleep. Taking honey before bed balances your blood sugar and supports the production of melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. It protects the heart. Honey's antioxidants relax blood vessels, improving circulation and lowering stress on your heart. It heals skin and wounds. Honey naturally prevents infections and helps tissues heal faster. That's why it's used in medical dressings. Honey is gentle, balancing, and full of life energy. It's no wonder ancient cultures called it liquid gold. Why combine garlic and honey? Now imagine what happens when you combine the strength of garlic with the soothing nature of honey. Science calls this a synergistic effect, meaning that together they work better than separately. When garlic and honey mix, their compounds reinforce each other. Garlic sulfur and allicin attack harmful bacteria and viruses. Honey's enzymes and antioxidants calm inflammation and support healing. Together, they form a natural antibiotic and immune booster that works gently but powerfully. Honey also makes raw garlic easier to consume. It softens the strong taste and protects your stomach. At night, your body focuses on repair and regeneration, so when you take garlic and honey before bed, you give your body the perfect tools to heal while you sleep. You wake up the next morning feeling lighter, cleaner, and refreshed. The 7-day transformation. Let's walk through what you might experience when you start this nightly ritual. Day 1 to 2. Your digestion begins to improve. Garlic wakes up your stomach enzymes, and honey soothes your intestines. You may notice less bloating, better appetite control, or more regular bowel movements. Day 3 to 4. Your body's detox process kicks in. Garlic helps your liver release cleansing enzymes, and honey supports the elimination of toxins. Some people even say their skin starts to look clearer and fresher. Day 5 to 6. Your immune system feels stronger. You may notice fewer signs of cold or sinus congestion. Energy levels rise as your blood circulation improves. Day 7. By the end of the week, many people feel lighter, calmer, and more balanced. Sleep becomes deeper. You might even wake up with steady energy and a peaceful mind. It's a small daily habit, but the effects build quickly. The science-backed benefits. 1. Stronger immunity. Garlic activates immune cells, and honey provides antioxidants that support their action. Together, they protect you from seasonal colds, flu, and infections. 2. Better digestion and detoxification. Both ingredients feed good gut bacteria and reduce harmful microbes. Garlic cleanses the liver, while honey helps flush toxins gently through the digestive tract. 3. Improved sleep. Honey stabilizes blood sugar and supports melatonin production, while garlic's minerals calm the nervous system. You fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. 4. Heart protection. Garlic relaxes blood vessels and lowers cholesterol. Honey improves circulation and prevents oxidative damage. Taken together, they keep your heart healthy and strong. 5. Lower inflammation. Chronic inflammation causes fatigue, pain, and aging. The antioxidants in garlic and honey calm this fire, bringing relief to joints and muscles and protecting your organs. 6. Healthy weight and metabolism. Garlic can slightly boost metabolism and reduce fat storage, while honey satisfies sweet cravings in a healthy way. Together, they help balance your appetite and energy levels. 7. Clearer lungs and sinuses. Garlic breaks down mucus, honey coats, and soothes the throat. The result: less coughing, fewer allergies, and easier breathing, especially at night. How to take garlic and honey at night? Here's a simple method. Take 1 small clove of fresh raw garlic, crush or chop it and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This activates the allicin. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw, unprocessed honey. Eat it 20 to 30 minutes before bed. If you prefer, you can make a small jar. Peel a few garlic cloves, put them in a glass jar, and pour honey until they're covered. Let it infuse for a few days. This creates a mild, slightly fermented garlic honey, rich, sweet, and healing. Take 1 clove with a little honey each night. Always listen to your body. If it feels too strong, reduce the garlic amount or have a sip of warm water after. Most people feel only positive effects, but it's important to be aware of a few things. Garlic can cause mild stomach irritation in sensitive people. If that happens, take it with food or reduce the amount. Garlic may cause strong breath, so nighttime use is perfect, because by morning, it's mostly gone. If you take blood-thinning medicine, check with your doctor first, since garlic naturally thins the blood slightly. And remember, never give honey to children under 1 year old. Otherwise, this remedy is very safe and has been used for generations with excellent results. People who have tried this simple nightly habit share amazing feedback. They feel more energetic, their digestion improves, their sleep becomes deeper, and they wake up feeling refreshed. Some say their blood pressure numbers improve, while others simply feel lighter, calmer, and more balanced. Even their skin appears clearer, as the body gets rid of internal toxins. Many also report catching fewer colds and coughs, even during seasonal changes. And of course, one of the most common results is a sense of overall wellness, a quiet confidence that the body is healing naturally. Garlic and honey together create one of the simplest yet most powerful natural combinations. Garlic brings cleansing and strength. Honey brings healing and calmness. When you take them together at night, they work in harmony while you rest, cleaning your system, supporting your heart, and nurturing your immune defenses. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets, just 2 humble ingredients that nature has given us. Try it for 7 nights. Notice the small changes: clearer breathing, lighter body, calmer sleep, and brighter mornings. As always, consistency is the secret. The longer you continue, the greater the benefits will be. Thank you for joining me today on Home Cooking and Home Remedies. If this episode inspired you, please share it with someone who loves natural health as much as you do. Remember, real healing begins with small daily habits, and the most powerful medicines often come from your own kitchen. Until next time, stay healthy, stay peaceful, and take care of your beautiful body. This is Home Cooking and Home Remedies, wishing you wellness naturally.